We can draw in Rhino this body. Now open Rhino. Close this window. Now we can draw in this size. Double click. Okay. And now the basic tools is pan, click pan, left right, and move. Second tool, orbit, click, left click, and zoom, scroll, scroll. Now we can draw in the body. The first line have the size 100, and now draw line. Previously we can activate snap and activate these points: end point, midpoint, center, and quadrant. We can use the tool rotate, click for this move, escape, and now draw line. This button activate also for perpendicular lines. Now we can draw a line, single line, pick point, and now move this size 100, enter. Now enter, line for this point, end point, click, and now move this size 60, enter, line, click, 100, enter, enter. Now line for endpoint, tool orbit, escape, zoom, and now draw this size for the center of this circle. Line for middle point, midpoint, 33, and now circle. The radius is 15. Now we can use the command copy for copy these lines and obtain this geometry, these lines. Copy, select objects, click object, enter. Now point to copy from. For this point to quadrant, click, to quadrant, click, enter, and now drawing these lines. Now use the command trim for cut this edge, and this edge. Now select cutting objects. For this case, cutting objects is line, this line, and this line. Cut this size, this size, this size. Enter. Cut, cut. This size like a scissors. Cut this size of geometry and eliminate this geometry and this geometry. Enter. Now this geometry make a body. For this drawing we can join this geometry by the tool join, and now select all the geometry, all close geometry. Close geometry generate a body. This body have an edge of 16. This command for generate bodies, extrude. Select curves to extrude. Select curves, enter, and now extrusion distance or edge is 16. Now we can shade for standard tools. Orbit for check this body. Now for this body we can use a plane in this size. Now for this body we can use the plane for this size. Now we can change the plane. This object we can obtain by the C-plane command, or this button set C-plane by 3 points. Now we can center for this body, drawing lines, line, now line to center for this body, 68. Now we can drawing the lines, line for this endpoint to this endpoint. Orbit, escape, and now line. For middle point, I'm drawing line 68. One moment. Line. For middle point, okay. Now we can change the C-plane for this tool. Set C-plane by 3 points. Pick first point for this endpoint, second point, third point. Okay. We can draw in the line for this size 40, and line for midpoint. 20 this size, 20 this size. And now try the edge, 34, and line and circle of radius 12. Now trim, join, join and extrude, extrude 20H, 20H. Now we can union these bodies, and now we can finish this part.